Monopoly, best chance game, hooks up my living room. I'm loving it, I'm loving it.
A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for Anoka County and Ramsey County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota Department of Emergency Management. An anomalous storm has formed over Anoka and Ramsey counties. This storm has brought heavy rain into the warned areas. 15 minutes after the storm began to bring severe weather, it caused people, animals, cars and buildings to freeze on contact with the rain. Temperatures have dropped to 130 degrees below zero. The temperature of the rain is estimated at 200 degrees below zero. Exposure to the rain will cause death within seconds. Please carry out the following instructions. These instructions are vital to your safety. Dress in multiple layers of clothing. Turn on any heaters. Keep doors and windows closed. Seal cracks in doors and windows with duct tape or damp towels. Take shelter in an interior room without windows. Gather enough food and water to last 2 weeks. Get a battery-powered radio with extra batteries and remain calm. Be advised that power will likely go out due to damaged power lines. Do not leave your shelter until it has been deemed safe to leave. This message will repeat.
It's Santa.
Civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota Department of Emergency Management and the Minnesota State Police Department. Meteorologists have determined that the anomalous storm that destroyed Anoka and Ramsey counties is expanding southward. The storm has killed most of Anoka and Ramsey counties. Temperatures in those counties are recorded at 189 degrees below zero. Similar weather conditions will hit Dakota County within 6 hours. In response, an evacuation order has been issued. Citizens are urged to evacuate either east or west. Do not travel northward. When evacuating, take the following items with you: food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, batteries, clothing, and identification. Do not pick up friends or family from schools and or hospitals. These facilities have their own evacuation plans. Shelters are being set up in counties outside the path of the storm. Shelter listings are available on TV and radio stations. Do not use any emergency phone lines such as 911. These phone lines are reserved for rescue operations. Please evacuate now or face certain death. This message will repeat every 10 minutes.